today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do an alternating dumbbell bicep curl seated. Now, the first thing you need is a pair of dumbbells and also a seat. Now, this exercise activates the biceps, all right? So when doing this exercise, the first thing you want to do is go ahead, sit down into the seat, pick up your dumbbells. When it comes to your feet placement, you can place them on the peg or place them on the ground. It's totally up to you. Now, when it comes to the seating position, I'm scoot all the way back into the seat, but with your chest, what you want to do is roll the shoulders back, keep your chest up, okay? Now with the dumbbells and with my hand placement, I'm going to go ahead and rotate into a supinated position, all right? Now I'm going to perform the exercise just like that, keeping the elbows real tight and close to the body and having a lot of control onto the biceps, all right? I'm not jerking. I'm really holding everything strong, having a nice strong position, having that chest up, nice and slow. This is how you do a dumbbell alternating bicep curl seated.